the national chairman of our great party, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, CON, and members of the National Working Committee of the party, Your Excellency, Malan Abdul Rahman Abdul Razak, the chairman of the Nigeria Governors Forum, Your Excellency, Prince Dapo Abiodun, the governor of Ogun State and chairman of Kogi Gubernatorial National Campaign Council, Your Excellency, our chief host, the White Lion, Alhaji Yahya Bello, the executive governor of Kogi State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Kogi State, Chief Edward David Onoja, members of the National Assembly present here, the Honorable Minister of Steel, our gubernatorial candidate, Ahmed Usman Ododo, and his deputy, Mr. Joel Oibo, our state chairman of the party, and the NWC of the party in the state, the Speaker of the Kogi State House of Assembly and members of the Kogi State House of Assembly, the Secretary to the Kogi State Government and members of the Kogi State Executive Council, our team in party supporters, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the good people of Kogi, kindly lend me your ears. I'm here at the behest of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, ECFR, to deliver his message to the good people of Kogi State. For us to build on the legacies or the purpose of continuity and consolidation, it has become imperative for the people of Kogi to align themselves with the center. The president is a man of courage and conviction. Is a man pregnant with ideas on how to reposition the Nigerian nation. But Kogi, which is one of the frontier states in the north, Kogi, the confluent state, cannot afford to have a state government hostile to the government at the center. For the people of Kogi to benefit immensely from the 8-point agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for the people of Kogi to benefit from the natural resources of Kogi, is absolutely essential that we should vote for a younger, a much more patriotic person who is grounded with the realities of Kogi existence. The president has just approved funds for the construction of the Ganaja Road. And be rest assured that the Abuja-Lokoja-Okene Road, the Kaba-Ilorin Road, is also going to receive federal attention. Most importantly, to the people of Kogi, the Ajaokuta steel plant is the largest single project in this nation. In his ingenuity, the president appointed a son of Kogi, a scion of Kogi, from one of the prominent families in Kogi, Prince Shuaibu Abubakar Audu to be the Minister of Steel Development. Fundamentally, he was placed in that position to promote, project, preserve the interests of the people of Kogi, to see to the realization of the Ajaokuta Steel Complex, which is 98% completed. The Ajaokuta and Itakpe plants will help meet federal government's needs for the fulfillment of the 8-point agenda with respect to job creation and foreign direct investments. Most importantly, Ajaokuta has the capacity to produce components for the CNG buses as part of the federal government's gas master plan to cushion the effects of the fuel subsidy removal. Ajaokuta has the potential to create up to 500,000 jobs once Ajaokuta is designated as an industrial park and free-trade zone. Give us the opportunity. Give this young man the opportunity to shepherd the sheep of the state in Kogi. Be rest assured that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will see to the fruition of the Alakpe crop processing zone in Kogi state. We know the problems of the youth of Kogi. They want jobs. They want education. They want means of livelihood. You are better off following the man where no road. You are better off following the man where Sabi road. This is a young man who has identified with you in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You have a leader with the empathy and most importantly, with the capacity to catapult this nation to a higher pedestal. I want to urge you. I want to beseech thee. I want to implore on you. Come November 11th, I want you to come out massively and vote for this young man, Ahmed Usman Ododo, and Joel Oyibo, to catapult your state to the next level. Thank you so much. Long live Kogi State. Long live the Republic of Nigeria. Ododo. Thank you. Thank you.